What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Good morning. Good morning. It is auction day, but before we get into the auction, we got a couple of hours before the auction pops off. We're going to go through just some of the lists, some of the cars that are coming up for sale, and if there are any that I am interested in, and who knows, we might find something else that we add to the watch list. So let's go ahead and jump into it and see what's available coming up this week at IAA and see if there's something we want to try to bid on. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Y'all can see me up here in the corner. Today we are going to look at a few vehicles, maybe pre-bid on some stuff, and then you guys probably later today will see the live auction showing you guys if we won anything. Now there are a few vehicles that I am definitely interested in, but I always like going through the list just to see if anything else pops up that tickles my fancy, so to speak. So let's go ahead and jump directly into it and see what we got. So we're gonna pop in here. Look at that, an RV up front, fire. It says total burn. Let's look at this one. All right, we don't care about all that. I just signed in on all. It's dealer only. Rah. That doesn't look like a total burn. I mean, I guess maybe from the outside. Huh. That doesn't matter. It's dealer only, so it's not something I'm going to look at. So we get back out of that. Not really looking at a Traverse. Oh man, Kia Soul, Cadillac, Cadillac CTS with 200,000 miles on it. Huh. 2010. Is it listed run and drive? Left side collision. Let's look at that. It doesn't even, oh, really? That's not a lot of damage. Well, it is a Cadillac. It is probably a 3.6 is going to be my guess in the motor. Let's see if it says 3.0. Huh. Interesting. Well, let's throw a pre-bid on it, and we'll see if maybe we can win this for the low, for the super low. Ooh, 25 bucks. Confirm the pre-bid. Oh. There we go. We win on that one for 25 bucks. Now, what's funny is some people, you never can win one of these for 25 bucks. You'll be surprised, man. Sometimes cars just, either it's a glitch or they don't show up, or people just don't bid that week. I've got cars that, you know, I've won at 25 to 50 bucks. Now, do the insurance companies release them at 25 to 50 bucks? Not normally. But if it's like a pure sale, that's not bad. I am looking for another truck. Yeah, that's dealer only. Yay. Bum, bum, bum. 500 bucks, huh? She doesn't look bad for a collision in the front, supposedly. Run and drive. I'll add that to my watch list. I'm not gonna increase my pre-bid. Oh, hate when it takes you back to the start. Alright, let's see what else we got. 2000 Tahoe. Looks like I got some big tires. Yep. Run and drive? Yep. 334,000 miles. Damn. Wow. Luckily though, I don't see any airbags, and the front end on these are super easy to replace. They're all bolt-on. If it runs good, then, you know, no active fuel management, none of that crap. We can pre-bid on this. We'll throw 25 bucks on it. Not a bad little bid. Truck. Pre-bid is at $375 on this one, huh? Let's take a look at it. $200,000. Tell me it's diesel and not gas. Gas. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the Triton. I mean, look, I understand that some of them are great and they run great and they run for 400,000 miles. I get it. I also know that you know, the valve system on them suck on some of them, and they're a nightmare to work on. So we're gonna say no on that. 04 Super Duty. They want 1,000 on the pre-bids. Diesel, that's what I'm talking about. Run and drive. Now that, yeah, I can rock with that. A diesel, yeah. We'll add that one to the list. All right, let's go back. Woo. See if there's anything really interesting. This 99 Ram, 2500. Yeah. Is it a diesel though? It is 5.9 diesel. Now these evidently run forever, man. I mean, Santa's Workshop, if you haven't subscribed to him yet on YouTube, and no, it's not like some Christmas stuff all the time. That's just the name of his car channel. He has a Dodge Ram with the 5.9 in it. And he got, what, he's got 600 and something thousand miles on that truck. 600, is it 690? I don't remember, but damn, man. I'll add that to my watch list. Oh, don't start me at the beginning again, prick. Let's see. See if we can find one or two more good gems here. Ooh, God, the road is a little rough. Just a little bit. Oh, give me just a second here, guys. I gotta get through some traffic right quick, and we'll continue looking here. ATS. That's the smaller joint, right? Yeah. Yeah, you can hear the scat pack. Do do do. Oh shit, brakes. Who? Brakes. Ooh. Man, this is a mess. Their construction they got going on out here. All right, let's see if we can finish up. We're gonna look at his Cadillac. Not bad. It's already at $4 grand in pre-bids, which means somebody really wants that thing, man. Oh, this is a rollover? Ouch, yeah. Dealer only though, too. This Impala, ooh. I was gonna say, I wasn't really a fan of the body style of this one, but it's grown on me over time. Yeah, but that damage is pretty bad. It's not worth looking at, to be honest. Camaro. Is that going to be the one that we look at here? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 man. You want to talk about like the difference in looking at one side or another, man. Holy crap. Oh, man. I mean, let's just rewind that. I mean, you're like, oh, okay, it's got a couple little dents, whatever, and then boom. Oh, wow. Wow. That's all you can say at that. It's just, damn. Yeah, that's a negative for me. Whew. Well, we always have the auction, and that's the one great thing about, you know, come auction time, is you never know what you're gonna find. You never know what you're gonna find. All right, guys, not a lot of stuff this week that I would say interests me. You know, I'm still looking for that diesel truck deal. I know you know, the minute I stop looking for it is going to be when I find it, and that's usually how that happens. But yeah, I got a little bit of a drive ahead of me still. I got about an hour and a half, so By the time I get in, the auction will be getting started. Now, I'll probably record that too and give you guys another video with the auction or the live bidding at IAA probably later this evening, if that's something that interests you guys. But I don't know, there's a couple interesting things out there. That's why I'm bidding on that Cadillac. You know, the Cadillac, the damage on that Cadillac doesn't look that serious. It just doesn't. And I mean, it's interesting. It's 200,000 miles, and if I can get it for $200-300, what, 450, 500 after fees, that's not bad. Clean title, I could turn that car around pretty quickly if I wanted to. But yeah, we'll see what happens, man. Thank you guys very much for watching today. I greatly appreciate it. More content coming this week. We got more videos of the lovely green monster and what's going on with that. We got videos on a new COPART win, not an IAA win, which you guys will get to start seeing this coming up week. And I think the Facebook Messenger car comes up this week for you guys to see as well. We've been busy. And then we have a couple profit and loss videos, like explaining, you know, what we bought the car for, what we sold the car for, how much we made in profit. And I'm going to start doing that so you guys can see exactly how much is made. Because I'm not one that, I don't like to lose money on cars. I just don't. So, you know, it is what it is. But we'll get into that. I want to thank you guys very much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already, and hit that subscribe button if you like what I do and you enjoy the content. But anyways, guys, thank you guys very much for watching. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I got a long hour and some change of a drive still ahead of me. You can see the sun's up. Yeah, I'm up and the sun's just coming up. That's a problem. Yeah. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.